what is subtraction? What is subtraction? As we have already discussed in our previous classes, means in your first class and second class we have already done subtraction. So anyone can tell me what is subtraction? Yes, Daksh. Can you tell me, beta? Yes, Daksh. What is subtraction? Yes. Yes. See, beta. Okay, doesn't matter. Ma'am is going to ask from one more child. Okay, अभी तक मैम ने तो क्लियर किया नहीं है, ठीक है? But ma'am is just going to check your previous knowledge. Okay, ma'am is just going to check your previous knowledge that you know about subtraction or not. What exactly the term means. Yes, Kinshuk. Kinshuk, unmute yourself. जी बेटा.
मैम सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम माइनस करते हैं.
वेरी गुड. सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम लोग माइनस करते हैं. मींस beta, one more thing is this, that at least you should try to speak in English. Okay, not more, but single words you can speak. Okay, beta, you should try to give. Yes.
In subtraction, we will minus the numbers.
Very good. We minus the numbers. But do you know what is minus? Minus is only a sign. Mine is only a symbol or sign, we can say, that we are going to use in the subtraction. ठीक है ना? Subtraction is a process, and the minus is only a sign that we are going to use in the subtraction. ठीक है? So exactly what subtraction means, ma'am is going to tell you. Everyone listen it very carefully. Very carefully you all are going to listen, because one by one ma'am is going to ask the same query from you students. So what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking the things from a collection or group of items, we can say. Is it clear? What is subtraction? What is subtraction?
Okay.
Subtraction means, subtraction is a process in which we are going to take away the things from a group or collection. In the simple terms, अगर आप simple terms की बात करें तो how we can define in 2 words. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. And what taking away? Taking away the things. Or taking away things means कहाँ से? From a group or collection. Taking away the things from a collection. Speak everyone. Repeat after ma'am. Everyone repeat after ma'am. Yes.
Taking things from a group and collection.
Taking away the things from a group or collection. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So what exactly subtraction means, you must understand. But if you remember that we have done about the addition, how we have symbolized addition through our hands movement. How we have symbolized means putting the things together. But we have done putting the things together. आपने साथ में रखा था चीजों को, ठीक है? Means collectively. This is called addition, putting the things together. But subtraction is the just opposite of addition. Okay, so here already things are together. We are going to take away the things from the group. ये group था ना? We are going to take away the things from the group. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now
Yes,
again
ma'am.
ma'am is going to repeat the same query from Ishika Dhingra. Ishika, unmute yourself. Yes, Ishika.
I can mute my.
Yes, Ishika.
Ma'am,
What
what
is
is the meaning of this slide?
beta? You are not completely visible in front of camera. Can you move this vessel from aside? One vessel is looking. क्या रखा है आपने साथ में? जी बेटा.
मैम नहीं बैठना है मेरे साथ में?
Yes बेटा, yes. What is subtraction? What is subtraction? जी.
Subtraction means to minus the number.
Beta, again you are repeating what Kinshuk has told to us. Minus means, simply I have told you, minus is only a symbol. Minus is only a symbol. Symbol होता है सिर्फ ये, ठीक है? But if we are talking about the process, subtraction is a process. Process of what? किसका process होता है? taking away the things from a group or collection. Is it clear? Now repeat with ma'am.
Yes,
Repeat with ma'am. What is
Ma'am?
subtraction? Yes.
मैम आपकी
Yes.
वॉइस ना बीच में ब्रेक हो रही थी, मैं
Okay.
वो टेकिन अवे के बाद में नहीं सुन पाई.
Taking away the things. Now it is clear? Now it is
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Okay. Taking away the things from a group or collection. Taking away the things from a group or collection. Simple. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now here ma'am is going to give you one example. Ma'am is going to give you one example. Listen it very carefully. Harshita, switch on your camera. Harshita, switch on your camera, beta. Okay. So now, beta, Ishika, first of all, tell me my board is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Your word is clear.
Okay. And what I have written on the board, what is the topic over here?
Topic subtraction.
Very good. So here my topic is subtraction. So it is clear? It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So beta, first of all, what is the meaning of subtraction? So simply you can write down taking away these two words you can learn only. आपको पूरा भी learn करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is understood that you are taking away what? You are taking away something from a group or a collection. ठीक है? For example, suppose this is a box. This is a box, or simply we can say it is a basket of apples. Okay, and here how many apples are here? कितने apples हैं यहाँ पर? जी बेटा. How many apples are here? Yes. 10. How many apples are here?
10 apples.
10
10
apples
apples, ma'am.
in this basket. Okay, the total number of apples are 10. Okay, and here what we have done, I have given 7 apples. 7 apples to Ishika. I have given 7 apples to Ishika. Okay, then how many apples are left in this basket?
3 apples.
3 apples, exactly. 3 apples will remain or will be left in this particular basket. Okay, so what we have done here,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, what we have done, now ma'am is going to explain this definition which we have done. Taking away the things, matlab total number of collection, total number of apples in these collections are 10. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Means total apples are 10 in this collection, and from this collection we are going to take away 7 apples. We are going to take away 7 apples.
7 apples.
So this is called the definition, means taking away the things from a group or collection. Clear हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने इस ग्रुप में से निकाला है ना 7 apples को, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So simply we can say taking away the things from a group, or we can say the collection of the things, is called subtraction. This is a process. Okay, beta, this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a process, simple. So this is called
Yes.
subtraction. You must understand what is subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? Okay, beta. So now you can
Yes, ma'am.
mute. Ma'am is going to proceed with the different new terms related to subtraction. Different new terms related to subtraction, and for that ma'am is going to take one child. And here Arsh Malik, unmute yourself. Arsh Malik.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready, Arsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Arsh, we are going to discuss about the different new terms.
Yes, ma'am.
Terms in subtraction. First of all, tell me my board is clear? My board is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose ma'am is going to take one example, and here the example is 47 and 23, and we are going to subtract these two numbers. हम लोग numbers को subtract करेंगे. So what will be our answer?
Okay.
देखो ये आंसर करने का तरीका मैम अभी आपको कराएंगी, ठीक है? बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दैट वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द न्यू टर्म्स. So here, suppose our answer is 4 and here our answer is this. So can you tell me this upper term means when we are going to do the subtraction, definitely there will be the bigger and the smaller numbers.
Yes.
Yes or no? Definitely there will be one bigger and one smaller number for doing the subtraction. Okay. So here
Yes.
the bigger number will be at the top always. Otherwise subtraction will not be possible. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak loudly, beta. Speak loudly.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it means simply we can say the number from which we are going to subtract the other number. The number
Okay, ma'am.
from which, अब जिस में से subtract करोगे, the number from which we are going to subtract other number, ठीक है, is called,
Okay.
can you tell me, is called minuend. Is called minuend.
No,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
When we are going to subtract, what we can say, the number from which we are going to subtract the other number is called minuend.
No, ma'am.
And the second one is this is the smaller number. This is the
Yes, ma'am.
smaller number in comparison
Smaller
to this. So what we can term it as the number which is to be subtracted. इसको subtract किया जा रहा है, ठीक है? The number to be subtracted is called subtrahend. Is called subtrahend. Yes. Is called subtrahend. Clear हो गया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
The number from which we are going to subtract the other number is called minuend. The number to be subtracted is called subtrahend. Clear? And now the answer of the subtraction problem. Answer of the subtraction problem is called, you know or not? This is called
difference.
Yes, very good. It is called difference. It is called difference. Okay, so these are the new terms we must understand. Is it clear?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा my complete
ma'am.
board is visible. मैम को complete board नजर आ रहा है आपको अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once again, ma'am is going to repeat all these instructions, and after that, ma'am is going to ask from you students one by one. So listen it very carefully. Ready, everyone? Ready, everyone, for repeating all these concepts? Very good. Very good. So first of all, what is subtraction? Subtraction is a process of taking away the things from a group or collection. Subtraction, simply we can say subtraction is taking away the things from a group or collection. Okay. Second one.
Yes.
Second one, the different new terms. The upper term is always will be the bigger term. So means simply we can say the number from which we are going to subtract the other number. From which we are going to subtract the other number is called minuend. Second one, the number that we are going to subtract. This number को आप subtract करने जा रहे हो. Means the number to be subtracted is called subtrahend. Okay, and at the last, the answer of the subtraction problem is called difference. The answer of subtraction problem is called difference. It is clear?
Yes,
So, beta, you must learn all the spellings related to the minuend, subtrahend, and difference. Okay, these definitions, these different spellings you must understand, and you must learn all the spellings related to it. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
So now what we are going to do, till here we have learned about the different new terms and the particularly related to the different subtraction process. Okay, and one more important thing is this: as we have discussed in the addition, which sign we have already used? Which sign we have already used? That is plus sign. Plus sign in addition. Similarly, we are going to use the minus sign in subtraction. Okay, this is the difference. Minus is only a sign that is used to specify which operation we are going to perform. अगर आप subtraction कर रहे हो, तो it means you are going to use minus sign. We are going to use minus sign. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now one by one, ma'am is going to take your queries now.
Ma'am,